Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am a part of the IU team, and today we'll talk about the Germany Job Seeker Visa. The Germany Job Seeker Visa, I have actually divided into two parts. One is for skilled professionals, and other is for unskilled professionals. So today we'll talk about the skilled professionals first, and we will talk about more about how can you get the skilled professionals in Germany, documents required, tips for pre-departure and post-departure, as well as various work permit conditions inside the Germany. So let's just get started with it. Um, Before moving forward, I would love to say that Immigration Ultimate has really achieved so many good feats for this particular year. We have already successfully placed many people across Europe and America in study, education, investment, and tourist visas. So if you love this channel, if you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe and please don't forget to put your comments. So let's just work with it. So what professions we are actually working on, we are targeting the nurse, software engineer, account manager, university professors, bioinformatics, microbiologist. Also, we are including the chiropractics and as well as the physiotherapists. Chartered accountants are both chartered accountants and chartered financial accountants. HR, sales manager, marketing manager, MBA graduates, IT project manager, and aerospace engineers. But these are just a glimpse of the different highly skilled professions are involved for this particular set of visas. Now, Germany job seeker visa, highly skilled, the pre-departure job requirement and the post-departure job requirement are two different particularly portfolio, and you can do it by your own, but our Immigration Ultimate has a particular job search tab where you can actually get the various help from our team, and we will actually help you to get the job inside the Germany, and we will assist you in the pre-departure and the post-departure job requirement. So let's just see it. What's the pre-departure job requirement? But before, this is actually the current scenario of the highly skilled professionals in Germany for 2019. The occupations, as you can see, and the salary is as listed below. For a nurse, it is 45,000 to 145,000 per year, and the software engineer is 48,000 to 150,000 per year. Account managers, university professors, bioinformatics, chartered accountants, testers, sales managers, IT project manager, aerospace engineers are having different salary categories, but this is just a glimpse. Like I said, there are many more are available inside this occupation list. So what are the pre-departure job requirements? The pre-departure job requirements are having a simple part, a document checklist, which I will provide the link below, and international CV. Or Immigration Ultimate will actually help you to design a particular international CV. Now you all have the CVs of Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, Malaysia, or your own country CVs, no problem. But European CV is quite different than this our own domestic CVs. So we will help you in that. If you can do it, it's fine. But if you do not able to do it or some problem, Immigration Ultimate will be able to help you or assist you. Marketing of CV into specified job portals prescribed by German companies. We know the job portals such as Monster, Yahoo, or LinkedIn, or our Naukri.com. But in the international market, there are some specified job portals that has been prescribed by German companies where we will help you to put your CV. But you can do it by yourself. Just to say that you have to put your job CV inside the prescribed German companies. Number fourth, get highlighted of specific skills based on previous experiences. So suppose you are a SAP consultant. So if you have SAP HANA, SAP Business Warehouse, SAP Business Intelligence, SAP Sales and Distribution, so on and so forth. If you are a Java guy, so your Java coder, Java ASP.NET, Java.NET, and certain crystal pages. If you are aerospace engineers, so a couple of aerospace, your own field specializations, and so forth. So whatever skills are there, it has to be specific and it has to be aligned as per your previous experiences. No fake is allowed. All right. Then you need to book a place for 6 months through booking.com. That means once you apply for the visa in the document checklist, you will see that the place of residence is required. So what you can do, you can simply go to your booking.com and you simply can say, I want to go to Berlin, and from Berlin, I want to check in. So for example, I made this video on 23rd. So suppose you say that 1st of May, and I will look for until November 1st. All right. So it's like 6 months. And you just say that I want only one adult and one room. And if you search it, all right, it's just for a couple of, all right. So if suppose you just say that 31, so for 30 days, you have the accommodation. And if you just search it, there are like, all right, so there are like hundreds of places are available in the Berlin where you can get your prices done. Since it is coming from the Poland, but you can also do it in euro as per your choice. But this is the main part, that Berlin can be highlighted. So you can do through the booking.com. Then in the second part is that you have to invest, or you have to show 4 lakh Indian rupees into your bank account. Yes, not 3 lakhs, not 5 lakhs, 4 lakhs. And that has to be through your salaried bank account, because they will verify at the visa counter. Then you need to show, or you need to pay 4,900 Indian rupees for visa processing fees. And the bank statement should be 6 months old while applying your visa. Then the email sent by consulate to pick up the document. Once you are done and you have filed your visa, the email will be sent to you that your visa has been accepted. Please collect your documents, or in this case, passport. So this is the pre-departure job requirement is there. And like I said before, our Immigration Ultimate can help you to do this or this job search before going to the Germany in the highly skilled category. But this is just the pre-departure. The main important part, which is the soul of this particular video, comes in the post-departure scenario. Once in the post-departure scenario, things are quite different. Now, everybody says that you need to speak German language inside the Germany for getting a job. That is not at all required. You do not have to speak German language to get a job. German language is only for those people who are either asylum seekers, refugees, or low skilled, or those basically are not up to the mark in their fields. But if you are a great in your work and you know your job, only English is sufficient. Or I can put in this way, rather putting so much in harsh way, that if you are working in your company, you do not have to speak in Germany. But suppose if you want to mingle in society, drink beer, wine with the German people, or mix in the society, they have or they request you to speak in German. That is the necessary. So a basic German language through any app from the Google Play or iOS or from the Apple Store, you can download and you can just practice it. That is requirement. Then once you land in Germany, you need to have a local phone number. A local phone number, remember, it is available in the airport itself. The SIM card is free. The SIM card is free in Germany, but you need to pay for the services. So you can simply go to this website, which is Leica Mobile. The Leica Mobile website is leicamobile.de, as you can see from here. And this is Deutschland, means the Germany. And in here, you can see various packets are available for the 6 GB, 2 GB, 10 GB, 20 GB. A lot of things are available in here. And you can get the SIM card free of cost at the airport, and you simply go online, register your SIM, and you can easily get these plans activated within few minutes into your mobile phone. All right. Then next comes is the cheap hostels to live by. Like I told you, the booking.com, there you can get the cheap hostels where 10 euro per night is available in Berlin. Then there are plenty of apartments are available in the Berlin city or outskirts of Germany. There you have to find the apartment. And the biggest part, or good part, is that there are many Indian, Arab, and Pakistani stores, grocery stores are available where you can get the rotis, chapatis, parathas, rice, achar, and many other Indian stores which you actually eat in India. You can get it from here. You do not have to carry it from India at all. Then German transportation is quite state of the art. There are three parts, which is the German train, which is the Deutsches Bahn, which is DB. German bus and tram is S-Bahn, and German metro is U-Bahn. So in this part, you have to buy the ticket, otherwise you will get penalized if you get caught. Then the fifth part is that the market analysis for your job salary and creating connections. Once you are in the job market scenario, and like I say again, the Immigration Ultimate team will help you for job search. The job salary and the market analysis has to be done beforehand. So suppose if I ask you, or if anybody asks you in the interview, that how much salary do you expect? Normally we say that, okay, give me anything, competitive salary, or give me anything, I just want to work. That thing never actually work in Germany. You have to specify a number. So suppose you know that you are a Java, or suppose you are a business intelligence, or let's just say that you are a bioinformatics professional working for 7 years in a bioinformatics company, and you know that you are quite good. So you can simply say that I am happy to get 350 or 400 euro per hour. 400 euro multiplied by 8 hours, it will be 3,200. That is multiplied by 4. That comes about nearly 26,000, 27,000 euro per month. 26,000 multiplied by 12 months, that will be roughly coming about 3,10,000 or 3,20,000 euro per year, which will be a salary. So you can simply give a number. Do not let them a chance to specify or in guessing. Then creating connections, which means once you are in social media, you have to get connected with the German authorities, German different societies, and German different marketing places. If you can do, it's fine. Otherwise, Immigration Ultimate can definitely help you in this job sector. Then German LinkedIn is actually having a different part, which is a zing.com. It is the German LinkedIn, which you can search that. It is zing.com, and in this zing.com is where all the German professionals go to the part. I'll put these links inside the YouTube video, but this is actually where the magic happens inside the Germany. Remember, I am saying again, German society actually uses Zing for their purpose. Now, once you are done, the German work paper has to be filed up, and I will show you through the link, which is basically this part. The residence permit for the purpose of employment, the valid documents are required. I will post this link below. And for the EU blue card, that what kind of actually links are required. So this is to be done, and then you can apply for extension as well. And like I'm saying, Immigration Ultimate can also help you for the job search. Now, this was the part that you had the pre-departure, about before getting the job, post-departure, after getting the job. Now what? Now comes the permanent part, or how to live in Germany sophisticatedly for end of your life. Then comes the two kinds of work and residence in Germany. The first part is the work permit, and this will be the card as a sample for when you will get the job permit or work permit inside the Germany. And it depends on the job and the contract. Maybe it's 2 years, maybe it's 3 years, maybe it's 4 years. It all will be in the contract. The minimum salary will be 25,000 euro per year to 140,000 euro per year. That will all depends. If the job is amazing, your salary limit will automatically get increased. There's nothing to get panic about it. Then the minimum contract that the company signed with you is for 2 years, and it can be extended based upon your performance. And the work for employers. You have to work for employers. You cannot start your own company. You cannot start for another job. You have to work only for the employer who has actually signed the contract. Then comes the other part of the residence is the German blue card. The German blue card is equivalent to American green card. And this is just a sample. Now, in this German blue card, they're actually looking for scientists, mathematicians, interior designers, engineers only. And the minimum salary for this is 40,560 euro to begin with, and the chance is to get the passport, and you can also get your own business running after you get this visa done. But if you want to change the work permit to blue card, all you have to do is to increase your salary 52,000 euros per year. That will be easily available, and like I said, that our immigration ultimate team will definitely help you to classify or clarify all this part. But the most important part is that once you are inside the Germany, you have to be German, and you have to really work very awesome. And the timings are limited. You cannot extend or cannot extend your working hours, or you are not allowed to work beforehand. All right. Till then, hope this information actually helped you. And if there's any questions or comments, please don't forget to write it below. Till then, have a good day. And I will come back with the non-skilled or low-skilled or semi-skilled job worker visa or the job seeker visa in Germany.